Though I was skeptical at first, we jumped on it, and it was probably one of the best decisions I have made as far as for my company and creating culture for my company.
It became very clear very quickly that this is something I should have done years ago.
But now they're saying things like best thing in their career, honored to be part of it, can't imagine. I heard recently it's the highlight of my week. That is a surprise. I knew it was going to be good. I didn't know it was going to be just off the chart great.
And it's been so phenomenally helpful at improving our communication and giving a different perspective of what employees had of us and what we have of our employees.
Very, very, very impactful to my personal life, to my family as well.
It was a powerful session.
I work away from the office around 4 months out of the year, remotely. And the comments that I get now is, we didn't even know that you were away.
To be honest with you, I was a bit skeptical about how that would translate to the workplace. And I was rather hesitant to embark on the forums at work journey.
It wasn't until I brought forums into the workplace, into the groups, that we are able to actually speak the same language.
I can get everyone to start to think like I can, behave like owners of the business. It leaves me to do pretty much close to nothing in the business.
I definitely recommend this to everyone.
I'd like to encourage anyone who is considering to give it one try, one session. And I can assure you that at the end of it, you will be convinced that it's the right thing for you, it's the right thing for your company, it's the right thing for your employees. And at that point, you become an ambassador of forums at work.
I just hope you find in forums at work what I've been able to find. And again, you will get out whatever you put in.
There's no better value, period, full stop, than creating forums within the workplace.